Hello, I'm CG Yin. This is a quick video to show how to offset faces in Blender. In this tutorial, I will add a cube. So we can go to Add Mesh and add a cube here. Closer to fill it. And I want to show it clearly. I will delete some of the faces. So I select the cube and go to Edit Mode and switch to Face Selection. I delete this face. And also I make a multiple selection of these two faces and I delete faces. Now we have three faces. I want to offset the faces, so we can go back to Object Mode and select the objects. Before doing offset, I want to show it clearly, so I want to show the geometry by using wireframe. So I select the object and then go to Modifier Properties and then go to Add Modifier. Go to Generate, we can find Solidify over here, and then we can adjust the panel to show Solidify Modifier, and then we can go to Offset. I change it to 1, and then we can change the thickness. And we can check the boss even thickness to make it regular shape, or we can uncheck the boss. Just depends on your model, so we can uncheck or we can check, just option. So we can go to rim, we can fill nothing. So we have offset the faces into two sets. Now this is not geometry. If we want to make it geometry, we need to apply it. So apply the modifier. Now we have one object. If we want to separate into two objects, we can select the object and then go to Edit Mode. And then I press A to select all the geometry and then go to Merge and go to Separate. We can use Separate by loose paths. Okay. And then we have two objects. So I go back to Object Mode. So we can select the origin and the offset faces. So this is how we can offset faces in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe to this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video.